Alrighty, so last time we saw this, it was early January. Cadence has been reunited with her friend Larry the Worm.
Yerp, yerp. Okay, I'm burying you now.
So, we still have greenage. We kept them alive. However, we've decided that we're going to go ahead and pull them because really all we've grown is carrot tops.
Look at my funny carrot, guys.
However, Cadence did find one that tried very hard to be a carrot, but the problem is with where this bed is at right now,
No, two.
that other one doesn't count.
There's two.
With where this bed is at right now, we'll actually have usable product faster if we just pull everything out, salvage what we can. And it looks like she's going to get some good ones because the problem is carrots are a 2-year crop for seed, and they've already been through one winter. So at this point, if we were to leave them in, we wouldn't get any actual carrots. They'd just go to seed on us once the weather turns warm. So we'll I'm gonna get out of Katie's way because she's going to town on her, and she's gonna find some eaten sized carrots. I'll show you what she's got when we'll show you what she's got when she's done. Say hi, Katie.
Hi.
All right, so far,
There's more.
That's what Katie's pulled out. That's actually close enough to eating size. We'll probably wash them up, have them with dinner tonight. Those are the ones that the tops had rotted off of. And she's still going.
Oh my god.
Unfortunately, we're finding a lot of stuff like this. Squish, squish, squish. Nasty. And all hairy and shit. They had decided that they were done trying to grow roots and starting to think about turning into seed. But what I do know is, had I planted these in early August rather than late August, they most likely would have been fully mature by the time winter set in.
Holy worms.
And they would have rode out that cold spell just fine in here.
Hey, do you think we pissed off the worms?
Probably. I know that because the landlady's carrots did just that in her plain old traditional in the ground garden, just buried in goat shit.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna go yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the low tunnel hoops.
Here's two of them.
Okay. We can use these again next year. They just got to get down to the shed and get put away. Or we might actually use them later this year, just to help everything get going good. But we're going to want to run the cultivator through here. So.
Oh yeah. But damn.
It looks like a little fresh topsoil might be in order too.
You see that harvest, Dad?
Yeah, that's so. Yep, so nice. Why don't you go get something to put them in? Hey, I don't know. Why don't you run to the house and get something to put them in?
I will.
While you're doing that, I'll dig through and make sure we got all the ones that are worth getting.
There's a hole right there. I'm going to fill that hole in real fast. Just know that for the good ones...
Let's have a moment of silence for my travels.
Fucking real. The good ones you didn't have to dig down for.
You think there's still some left?
Man, I was digging way down there. Like here's one.
What was doing so deep? I didn't plant them that goddamn deep.
man, but hey, it's getting a free cultivate.
Right.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a bowl.
Okay. Eh, that one's broken.
What?
Oh, nothing. Just a broken hoop. And if you're wondering why they're the colors they are, I actually like to plant rainbow carrots just because they're fun and whimsical.
Come on, doodles. Collect my little harvest. Now it's not busy. Collect the rest of my little harvest.
I tell you what, though.
Oh yes, little.
That makeshift high tunnel.
Y'all look at my harvest.
Just a minute, I'll grab the camera and actually, you know.
There's worms over there.
Oh yeah, this bed is already active.
Hey, are you alive?
I guarantee you that's because of our low tunnel.
This one's dead.
Yeah, it'll happen.
Hashtag through it.
Alrighty.
Holy moly. You find any more carrots?
Yeah, I think we pretty much got everything. Got them all that are worth having.
Did you really dig? Here's one. Boing. That can go in stew.
We're not having
Weeds. Ooh, so many weeds. See, y'all, it's okay to pick out big clumps of weeds. Just like make sure to knock the dirt out if you can.
when you're done, make sure all those weeds find their way into the compost barrel.
Oh, well, don't worry. my.
So, in all honesty, we had no business expecting much more than what we got out of those carrots, and honestly, I'm kind of pleased and pleasantly surprised with what did come out. I mean, we got a bowl of carrots we can have to go with our pork chops for dinner tonight, and
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Hey, this is the plastics. Stupid.
It's looking like by dark, Katie will have that bed cleaned up, ready for some fresh topsoil. And yeah, we'll be back at you in a couple of weeks with No Budget Garden part
4.
we at on that now? 3, 4?
4.
4?
Yeah.
So the Great Carrot Experiment counts as part 3? Yeah.
I mean, technically, since it was successful.
It was meh.
It was successful.
It was meh.
No, it was successful because we got a bowl of carrots.
No, successful would have been like great big carrots.
These are all the runs of the litter. Oh, wait.
You got 1 or 2 eaters in there. Yeah, just compost the rest.
These are the runs of the litter. And then these is ones.
Those are the ones that the tops rotted off of.
Yeah, those ones are just foggy. He feels comfy.
Yeah. Now turn him loose and get back to what you're supposed to be doing.